On today's episode of Fix It Your Motherfucker Self, we got this 2007 Toyota Camry. It's back again, y'all. We got the part from the junkyard the other day, so we're gonna put a radiator on this motherfucker. Okay, take out the radiator. You gotta take the bumper off. You got a screw like this. Let me get it in my pocket because I already took the motherfucker off. Let's see. You got a screw like that goes there, and it goes there. Then you got a 10 millimeter fastener that goes right there. Then you gotta take out, unscrew this right there, and then under here is a 10 millimeter bolt you gotta take out, and that's on the other side also. We'll have y'all in a minute. As you can see, the bumper is off this motherfucker. There it is right there. Yeah. You gotta take out that 10 millimeter, that 10 millimeter, that 10 millimeter, and that 10 millimeter. All of that to get this and that one there, and that one there, get the radiator support off. We'll holler at y'all in a minute. Well, as you see, the fan had to come out. And we almost got out. We had to took that hose off. And we got to take those lines and transmission lines off down now. And this motherfucker be out of here. Well, got the radiator out. Made a little mess. We got some kid levels, so we get this oil and transmission fluid to fuck up. Now we're gonna get the new one and put that motherfucker in. Well, I dumped it back together again. Y'all can see. Radiator cap right there. Radiator cap's off. We're gonna start this bitch up. Put some coolant in there. And now we're gonna start up, see how she go. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's the fluid from earlier that came out the radiator hose. But other than that, there's no new fluid. Everything seems to be working up here. Let's go on the inside and see how the temperature is. Alright. It's right where it need to be. We're gonna run this bitch around the corner and see what to do. See, temperature gauge is right where it needs to be, goddammit. Got this motherfucker working. You know, and the heat is on. You know what I'm talking about? Blowing out hell and shit in this motherfucker. Got my assistant right here. Yeah. He assisted me today. He trying to cover himself up. I don't know why. Anyway, damn, it's hot as hell in here. Now I'm gonna have to get out here. It's burning the motherfucker out of here. Other than that, man, look, we got this bitch going. With the motherfucking junkyard fucking radiator that I got pulled out yesterday. So, yeah. Purged all the air out the system. Motherfucking sitting there doing this thing, you know what I'm talking about? And it's blurred right now. Other than that. Well, here we are now. It's nighttime now. As you see, when I started, it was daylight. Well, this motherfucker is running. Heat is going. And ain't no leaks, goddammit. So, this has been another episode of Fix It Your Motherfucker Self on this 2007 Toyota Camry, putting on the radiator. We'll holler at y'all the next damn time around. Yeah, normally I zoom in on the, emblem, but ain't one. So, it is what it is. Ow!